How's it going? This is Peter at the Shalom Peace, and I'm going to do a dessert tonight. It's going to be a macaroon ice cream treat. I don't know what to call it, but it'll be fun. And you'll see me getting busy on some of the stuff here. I'll show you some of the more materials in just a second. Why am I doing dessert? Well, I'm going to need some comfort food. I had my heart broken. And it was broken good by a woman. I set my life to, I planned our whole future out. Everything. It was going to be perfect. Just her and I walking into the sunset. But she ghosted me. I'll tell you more about it while I'm prepping this stuff. You guys stick with me though. Stick with me, okay? Here we go. I'm going to prep this stuff. There's my cutting board, right? Anyway, so we're getting along fabulous, right? And, you know, I tell her my life story and everything, and, you know, everything looks great. We both have the same interests and faith and all that, seemingly. And then, you know, 2 days later after I met her, she ghosts me. Totally shattered my heart pieces. Yeah, you heard me right. 2 days. I knew. I'm just kidding. All right. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so what we're doing with these bananas here is we got some sugar on them. We're gonna burn them. I'm gonna burn these suckers. I mean, I want them to get some sugar caramelization on them. Okay? They have their own sugars. I wonder if you can hear me over this torch. Anyway, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna get these things ground up. The reason is because, you know what? Let's do some more sugar on those. I think I'm not having the kind of luck I want. Let's just overdo it. Like we're really in pain here. Our hearts are melting here, right? We're really. You need a lot of sugar, buddy. Get over this one. No, I'm just kidding. All right. You guys ever been ghosted before, man? That's not fun. Shoot. I thought I was doing everything cool, too, man. You know? I don't usually just tell somebody, you know, that I'm madly in love with them for the rest of after 2 days. All right. Well, malfunction. Wait. See? Oh, I had it. Things just ain't working out for me sometimes here. There you go. The sugar's going to do it now. We're going to get the sugar caramelized on here, fillet, right? Anybody could have told you I needed more sugar. I didn't give her enough sugar. That's what it was. All right. Anyway, you can tell I'm all busted up about this. You know, what are you going to do? You know, you're going to be happy. All right, this is gonna take a minute. I'm gonna finish that in a second, but I'm gonna talk to you about some of the other stuff. I'm gonna let this get over here on my other board, and I'm gonna talk to you about doing some strawberries. We're gonna be topping with strawberries also. Remember that knife I told you about with the grooves on it? See how the strawberries didn't stick to it? Yeah. Okay, now we got strawberry. Okay, get rid of the junk. We're gonna do that with strawberries. So we got strawberry. Oh, you know what I should have done was unfold them like that, like a little deck of cards or something, huh? All right, so we're gonna do that. What do you want to do? You want to do some apples? Watch this. I'm gonna do a little apple with you, real quick. I'm gonna show you the garnishes for the dessert. So what you want to do with the apples? You take this thing, half it right there, like that, and then you know those seeds are like almost in the middle, right? So you just go right to the center. Now you've gotten the seeds away from the apple, and now you're just gonna do some real skinny, whoops. I've got a problem keeping my knives straight sometimes. Anyway, you can do that, and then you can make a little deck of cards out of these too. Okay, I think you guys have probably seen that in some of my other videos. Oh, isn't that cute? I must have really been in love with this girl to start eating comfort food like that. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this stuff on ice cream, macaroons. Wait till you see what it'll do with the ice cream. Oh, if you got some almonds, What do you do with those? Grab a knife. Yo, just grab one, because too many. Boom. Now you got crushed almonds. Or you can buy them crushed, whatever. I just like to do that because, you know, it's a nice little... You did it yourself at this point, okay? You're doing it yourself. Got some pineapple. It's going to be interesting because, you know, macarons are coconut. So I figured the pineapple will go with the coconut. We'll be right back with some ice cream. Okay, it's a party. We're going to start assembling some ice cream. This is the dangerous part because I really have never staged these desserts before because I don't know exactly how they're going to go out. I tested this one maneuver. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these little baby Häagen-Dazs ice creams, a little bit, you know, little ones. I'm going to take these and I'm going to take my bread knife and I'm actually going to cut through. We're going to make little discs, ice cream like discs. And with the macaroons, it should go pretty good. I'm going to do this all in one take, so you guys stay with me. This is for real right now. Okay? I need your help because I'm hurting. I'm hurting inside. Okay, first thing we do is we get these ice creams cut down, okay? So you got to use a bread knife because look at that. They're trying to jib me. I'm telling you, these Häagen-Dazs. What happened? The bottom of the ice cream is gone. All right, doesn't matter. We just need a bunch of discs, okay? I'm going to get a bunch of these ready. Look at that. The bottom of the... I never imagined I'd be losing out on half of a baby ice cream. That's messed up. All right, we got the strawberries going here. You know what? Might as well try and get rid of the junk. If it's always empty on the bottom, huh? Look at that. Hey, Häagen-Dazs saving some money, guys, huh? Good job. Who's the genius on that one? Man, I did not want to do that on film. I'm sorry, guys, but just happened. Now we know that you're not getting your dollar's worth when you buy the minis. I wonder if they do it on their gallons too, man, or whatever the big. Look at that. That's totally empty on the bottom. Look at that. Is that on purpose? What do you guys think? I never saw it. I'd see something. Anyway, we got strawberry. I love the ice cream. I don't care. Actually, at this point, first my heart's broken, and I'm all mixed up, so I don't care right now. I want ice cream, and so we got all these cut, and I'm going to show you what to do with these. See, what's going on here is I'm making little discs of ice cream. Okay, the reason that happened so easily and quickly is because I used my bread knife. All right, stick with me. Stick with me. Come on, stick with me. Stick with me. We're going to start separating these. Let's build some ice creams. Get rid of these junkies. The bottoms that were fake. The fake bottom ice creams? Really, dude? All right, let's do some macarons. Let's do a chocolate and a strawberry. How about that? Like, I don't even know how to put them in here. Let's just do that. And then find the large end of the ice cream. Boom, pull that out of there. Right? Is that working for you? Is that working? Strawberry, let's do a chocolate. Let's do a chocolate. Oh, I should have taken the lids off, first. It's hard to deal with that, you know. That's okay. You know why? Because I'm nimble. Uh-oh, with these gloves I'm not. You always say, I'm just saying, I still am. Go chocolate in there, pow. So I guess we're just gonna build a little castle of beauty. You know, I made a coffee one too. I got a coffee one here too. Should I let's do a little vanilla. We'll do a little Neapolitan, right? Bang. Okay, so we know we got the macaroon down there. A little treat at the end. For me, I'm gonna do a little bit of pineapple because I'm a pineapple guy. I like to eat probably always at least once a month. I have pineapple. I gotta go some strawberries. What the heck, right? Bang. Oh, and I'm a banana fanatic. I'm a banana fanatic. So I'm doing some bananas on my banana. All right. All right. Okay. Look who's got a heartbreak now, sister. All right, so now, all right, let's do a plain vanilla. Excuse me, a plain macaron. Let's do 3 macarons so we build it up at the bottom a little bit, right? Let's do a coffee. Coffee on the plain macaron, right? Yeah, we'll do coffee and like banana. What do you think? Banana and vanilla on that? What do you guys say? Oh, I should have taken this lids off. Really should have done that first. You see, I'm telling you guys, I need your help right now. I'm just like, I'm hurting. I'm hurting inside. And I need your help because I'm all mixed up. Okay? So just stay with me, okay? I need your moral support. Oh, look, you can do it like layers. Like they fell out on purpose like that or something. You know what I mean? Oh, I think I'm just gonna take this out like that. So then, you know what? I'm gonna do that. Give me some discs on that. Maybe I think we do apples. Let's do some apples on the macaroon. Oh, is this that one we did? Where we did a little folding deck of cards or whatever? Yeah, we can do that. Like that kind of, right? What else goes in there? How about some almonds? Right? What else would you do? What would you do? Some banana? I know. I don't think we should go anywhere without bananas today. Besides, I made a bunch of them, right? And those are so delicious, too. Oh, man. I wish you could have one of these right now. They're so good. The banana. Okay. Oh, wait. Hey, guess what? I got the chocolate. I'm not going to say who they are in case something goes wrong. No, actually, this company, they do not use any slave labor. Let's do some chocolate on this sucker. Okay, we do some shavings of chocolate on there. Boom. Let's do some on this one too. What the heck, right? We're going through like emotional duress right now. We need some chocolate. We need a lot of chocolate. In fact, did you notice that some was already missing? Okay. All right. There we go. We got a couple desserts here. See if I can show you one. That's the one with the apple and the plain macaroon coffee ice cream with banana. And then this is the strawberry. This is kind of a medley of everything except the nuts. It's got strawberry, chocolate, vanilla down there with the chocolate macaroon. Thanks for joining me. I think I'm going to get over this one. And, you know I love you guys. And I'll see you for the next one. Shalom. Hey, wait a minute. Check this. Check it up. Whoa! Fire! I'm kidding.